Love me, cause I don't think I love me anymore. Maybe I think too much, so I drink to rush all my demons out the door. Tell me, tell me that it's all inside my head. Call it OCD, tell me it's you, not me, cause it's driving me mad. I don't think I'm losing my mind, building all these walls over time. Every time I lose my way, I find you. I know that when fears start to hit me, know that you're the one to lift me. I find you, yeah, I find you. Find me. Did I lose myself in pride? My insecurities haunting my memories, cause I'm holding them inside. Let go, put my thoughts back into words. Feels like I let me down, ain't got no golden crown. I'm just trying to be right. I don't think I'm losing my mind, building all these walls over time. Every time I lose my way, I find you. I know that when fears start to hit me, know that you're the one to lift me. I find
Hi, Tweety. Hey. Congratulations again. We still haven't killed her, but we are getting closer and closer to the last prison. You will get there. Thank you. It took us like what, 250 pulls. So it definitely takes a while, and I didn't even expect to kill the boss because we had so many 1% wipes. I was even expecting another 1% wipe, but our team clutched it. Like, we lost 2 tanks. The mines were nearly going to hit us. It was like 1 second away from hitting us, and they did it. Like, I checked the last couple seconds couple times. It's literally, we are like 1 second away from the mines hitting the raid and wiping us. Literally 1 second away. And the boss was killing everyone one by one as well, because the tanks were dead. I was very surprised. I was very surprised. That really caught me off guard. I was not expecting. And I think we can go. I think. All right. Now, last time we handled the buff stuff, so we are giving points for potions, well-fed, food, and then augment rune. So everything is good. Tomorrow is going to be our Galvix day, and hopefully I'm hoping to at least see the whole boss. Even if we don't kill it tomorrow, I want to at least experience the whole phase. No, not today. I believe the stream information should say we are going to do Addon Coding today. We don't raid on Mondays. Mondays is not a good day to raid. Or like pug. Tuesdays is the best. Okay. What does your add-on do? Our add-on does something great, something amazing. So, our add-on, for example, this is from Mugsy, yes. So it does a couple things. One, during the boss, it checks your performance. Not just your DPS, not just your healing. For example, are you doing the mechanics correctly? For example, for Mugsy, soaking the shrapnels is a mechanic. So I can check and I can give points for people soaking. If you are doing more damage to the ad, like if you're attacking the shocker ad, you also get a point. If you are using a potion, you get a point. If you are getting, like using your food flask or your rune, you get a point. I install your add-on. I'm 7th. Isn't that bad? How many DPS in the raid, and also what is the point difference? But if you look at this, 7th place is 19, 1st place is 23, so there's not much point difference, so it should be good. But this is for one boss. It also keeps track of all the bosses in the raid, and then you can see the overall performance. For example, for this boss, I was not that great. My performance was not the best. And then it also keeps track of your progress. Let's say you are wiping at a boss. It also keeps tracks of all the pulls you did, so you can easily see, the people performing great, the people who are not performing great. You can see all of that. But today what we are going to do is we are going to get ready for season 3. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to handle this whole bad script. So this script, when I was first creating this add-on, I wrote the same code for each boss essentially. But now after that I realized, hey, I'm using the same stuff all the time, so I can, you know, start refactoring some parts. So I did. I refactored some parts of the code, and now it's time to refactor the whole boss calculation, the boss point calculation, and that's what we are going to do. That's what we are going to do. We are going to start a new function here called pug calculate boss points, and we will need the combat argument for the details. From details add-on we will get the combat, and then we will get the containers. We will create all the containers here. Then the local damage container, local not healing, we don't need the healing container. Then we will need the raid composition, because that's where we are going to assign points. We need boss name and boss ID. Actually, only the boss ID is enough, because I'm also going to create a boss ID, boss name table. So you pre-program it to remember the important things, and you don't have to go through the logs. Yes, yes, yes. Essentially, Paul, that was my problem. So when I was checking performance for example, a boss or something, it was so difficult to see what I wanted to see without spending 30, 40, 50 minutes overall inside the logs and so on. And since I know the bosses, since I know what is important and what is not important, or what is the thing that people need to do, I say, you know what, I can just create like an add-on that does it for me. And essentially that's what we are doing. Now, sometimes there might be adds, so we need an add table. If we are going to check add damage, an add table. We can check an interrupt table. If there is something to interrupt, we can do that. We can do some avoidance table. If there are spells to avoid, we can use avoidance table. And then what else? Soak table, because sometimes you need to soak something, like a reverb. You have to soak the antenna. You have to get, click it and then soak it and get damaged. Yeah, so you need to get damaged on purpose. So that's soaking. So these are the main 4 things that a boss would have, that I can check from combat containers, from details. Everything else I have to still create like this. Where is it? Manually. Let me give you an example. For example, Sprocket, for getting stunned with Screwed, unfortunately this was not accurate on details on the add-on, so I have to write like a separate code for that. Same thing with Sticks. I wanted to see who is hitting the territorial bombshells and who is hitting the discarded bombs, so I had to write literally a function for that. So that's something I will do for each boss if there is not much we can do about it. If we can't get the information from the damage containers. Let's explain this code real fast. Correct. Combat container from detail, yes. Yes. Boss ID, correct. No. Add table is different. This is a table. This is a table containing name and ID of ads that should be killed. Interrupt table, yes, correct. Interrupt table name, so that should be avoided, correct. Should be socked. Good job, GPT. You can code complete. Very good. At least the comments. Okay. So, if add table, then end. No, don't write stuff yet. I need to remember. I need to remember. Okay. I want to use the one from Bandit. Let's copy this. You're like 40 pulls into Galley Prog. How is it going? How difficult is it compared to Mugsy? Yeah, I know. I need 4 people that will never die. Ooh. One of them will be me. I will handle one of them, but I need to find 3 more. So if there's an add table, what we're going to do for add name, add ID in pairs, add table, do we will say local add name equals add name, and then we will do this. Checking for feels really okay. Some of the overlaps are rough, particularly getting get into the canister on 4th time. Yes. The number 3, number 4 are the difficult, especially they don't have, what do you call it, platform as well. Somebody needs to rescue the person jumping, or they need to be assigned to a person who can float. I know. Then for actor, damage container, add name, very good. Going to create local total add damage equals 0. All right, and then we will give points. Wait. Can I don't think you can use ID here, so the ID is kinda useless. ID is kinda useless. Hmm. 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 This will be boss ID.
I think I need therapy or just some more whiskey. I can't seem to understand how you do this to me. You've been running in circles
This will be boss
inside my head.
table, boss ID. Boss, no, add name. We need to create boss table now. No, that's not correct. These are the correct ones. Okay. And then no, this should be here. This should be here like this. Okay. Okay. So this should always work for any ad for any damn boss. Okay. Then we delete this. So this should handle the ad. But we don't have ad ID. The ad ID doesn't work for the details API. Unfortunately, it doesn't support ID. It only supports name. Yeah. Yeah. I don't like it, but for now, because it only works for English language when that happens, and then I don't like it, but it doesn't work with, unfortunately, ID, so you have to use the ad name. I will still put it on the ad table. Maybe in the future I can find a way to do it, but that's for ads. So check add damage and award points. So after that we can do the interrupt table. Just close you down. end. So for interrupt, no, for spell name, spell ID, but no, not do this. Let me write it. I don't trust you, ChatGPT, for actual code completion. You're not that good. Bandit interrupt. So this one is the interrupt table. You can just copy it here. Local spell name equal. I don't need to do this though. Why am I adding an? Okay, that's stupid. Why am I doing? Why am I doing it twice? I just realized I don't have to do it again. Ah, the point formula for interrupts. Okay. So it has to be a structure, not a table. Table is not enough. Because the regular point formula is you get 1 point for every 2 interrupts. So I need a way to override that as well. I will think about it. I don't need to do this. Okay. No. Spell name, boss ID, boss table, boss ID. Just joined, so if I may ask, what is this you're doing? I'm writing the add-on, the code for our add-on, this. And I'm also streaming the process and talking to you guys, so it makes the process way more entertaining for me. But yes, we are just coding. It's like a coding stream today. And I'm trying to explain what I'm doing while I'm doing it. Okay, let's continue. And this is okay for now. And then check avoidance and avoid points, and I can use the reverb, cauldron for avoidance, because it's here. This is the amount table. Right, something's wrong. No, something's wrong. Not like this. This is this one. All right. I need to indent this properly. It's easier to read that way. Okay. Okay. And then for spell name, spell ID in pairs avoidance table, do, and goes here. I don't need to do this again. That's already a for loop. Spell ID. Oh, source NPC. Wait. I missed that. How did I get source NPC? Oh, I just need to define it and we're good. First we check the source NPC if it exists, then we check the get spell ID, then if the spell, then we already have the name from the table. It's going to be boss ID, and this is from boss table, boss ID. And got hit by, very good. And that's the error. And this should handle the avoidance. The only problem is the amount table is hard-coded. I need to be able to make it more flexible for each boss. Now we can do check, soaks, and avoid points. It is essentially the same, but instead we make this true, because avoidance and soaking is the same. Let me show you. Where is my rec reverb? So these are the ones that you need to dodge. You know, you're like, hey, don't get hit by these. And these are the ones that you dodge. Where's the I think this is the soak one then. Lingering voltage, yeah. That's the soak. So it's essentially, literally the same. The same function, but instead of giving losing points, you get points by getting damaged. So I'll just copy this. Soak table this time. Same. And this time we give points, and we say soaked the spell. Yep. 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 Okay, very good. What's left? Interrupt, soak. They're all good. They are all good, I believe. Now I need to find a way for interrupts. Change this point formula. We need to change this point formula. Should I add to interrupt table or just interrupt points? Just add this as a add this formula. Let's do that for now. Oh, not points. Interrupt formula. This is going to be a function. That is correct. Good job. Same thing with avoidance. Not formula, but I have to call it formula for naming sake, and soak formula. But they're not functions. They are lists. So avoidance threshold and soak threshold. No, though, I don't like this because then it will again apply to the all avoidance. I need to create this struct. I need to create a struct. I need to create something like, let me do an example. For example, like interrupt. No, avoidance table, right? We want to do avoidance table. Then, no, not like this. Let's say we will have firebolt. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to also add how do I make the struct? 1 second. I know how to do it in Python, but I need to check Lua the dictionary. That's what I want. That's what we call in Python. How do we make a dictionary? No, not just key value. Nested dictionary. Or wait, let's use Copilot. Create an example nested dictionary. It should include spell name string, spell ID, integer, and another table called avoidance threshold. This is a table with 3 table with integer numbers. It has to be a list. Let me see. Did you just delete everything, bro? Did you just delete everything? Stupid co-pilot. You don't. Okay. If I use something like this, then I can't do this anymore. Yeah, this will not work. I will have to get these manually, so like this, I believe. Ding, like, and then spell name dot spell ID to get it. So in order to do that, I think I need to use I pairs, right? What was the difference between pairs and I pairs? God damn it. I pairs versus pairs. What's the difference? I forgot. Oh, okay. 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 But this is not going to work then, because this is a... God damn it. How to loop through nested table, dictionary, Lua. No, it's the same. It's just I do. Wait, I just do this. So spell name, and then alt. I don't even need to do this, because local amount table will be avoidance table, spell name dot threshold, or default. Yeah, this works. Yeah, okay. I don't know why I got confused. It's the same. There's no difference. Then let's do the spell ID too. And that's all we have to do. This way we have the amount table inside the nested dictionary. Okay. We will do the same thing for soaking. So we don't need to do that anymore. Okay. What else? Then I can put the formula like this as well. Like instead of threshold, it will be like a formula, and it will be like a function, something like this. I can put the formula inside this too. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. like this. Yes. Or let's put this, let's say default if it doesn't exist for some reason, we can put the default formula. Okay, good. Alright, something's wrong. Oh, that's the reason, okay. So the end is here. Okay. Okay, now we need to test this. This looks okay now. Now we gotta test this. So let's go to the points. This is our main points. So we do the points assignment here. So all we have to do is pug calculate boss points, combat, point log, and then for each boss we are going to do something else. For example, for Vexi we need to create No. We are preparing for season 2, so we are going to change this entirely. We are going to make, hey, if lost encounter ID in pug lost Luo IDs, then end. Wait, this is Python though. What is what is in for Lua? Oh. Wait. Wait. Yeah, that's a list. I'm just gonna do if ID in pairs. For, not if. And then if ID equals last encounter ID, then and then break. Wait, this is just, yeah. What's the problem? Oh, do. Okay, now it works. Because what we want to do is we don't want this to be here anymore. We don't want this to be here anymore. Alright, we don't want this to be here anymore. We want this to be in this area, which is the everything for this rate is here. I don't want this to be in general points parts. So we're gonna put, it can't be local function pug luo boss handler, and then I can handle everything here. What I need combat, I need raid comp, I need last encounter ID. Pug, Luo, boss handler. Yes. So now this will be season 3 points between 2000, I don't know, 2017 and something, like 2000, I don't know, 25. And I will check these and handle these code here. Good. Now we can make all of this into just one function. We're gonna do impact calculate boss points. If last encounter ID equals 2009, then, so this is for Vexy. For Vexy, what do we have? For Vexy, wait, I need to make these optional. How do I make these optional? How do I make these optional? Okay, I need to learn how to make these optional, because sometimes I will not put anything there. How do I make some of these parameters optional? Yeah, there's no built-in way. Okay. Oh, okay. God damn it. Like this. Like this. So there is a way. Because sometimes there will not won't be anything, you know. Some bosses literally don't have any. Because then I could just put nil here. Okay. So Vexy has an add table. So we can put add table, which is, do we check ID first or name first? Name. Support rig. No, this is CC, not that one. That's interrupt, and this one. Biker. Like 0 ID. Unfortunately, we don't have ID. And ID doesn't work for now. Then we'll put add table here. Next one is interrupt. We have an interrupt called repair. Local interrupt table. Good job, GPT. Yes, correct, and function is correct. Great job, GPT. You did it great. I don't have to copy paste. But for better visibility, I want to do this. Okay. Do you have avoidance table, soak table? Do we avoid anything? No, we do not. We do not avoid anything. So, nil. Unfortunately, this is not enough for this boss, because for Mythic, we also check something else. If you guys remember, there's the catch and deliver points. I mean, fuels, and you get points for that. So we have to do this. Copy it here. After calculating the regular boss points, we need to calculate the catching field, for example. And let's say extra points for Vexy. That's good enough. Okay. So which means if I delete this, everything should be fine. Let's not delete this. Let me, for now, comment this out. Okay, let's not delete it for now. Let's comment this out. But that means if I reload, and then if I do a quick Vexy, let's try to do a quick Vexy. Nothing should break. Everything should be working just fine. I mean, that's what I'm hoping, at least. You'll see. Let's do one more reload, because I saved again. Okay, let's find dungeon, no, raid. Heroic. Fresh, let's go. Fresh. Okay, we got in one. Oh, I have portal. I don't have to run. Let's see. I hope it works.
I need a target. target. I need a target.
Felt the way that I feel tonight. You've got me feeling like this moment's so right. You take me to that special kind of place. And now I'm dancing like I'm losing my mind. Your touch sends shivers down my spine. You make me feel I'm living in a dream. You got me going crazy. Got me going crazy. Got me going crazy. Got me going crazy. I've never felt the way that I feel tonight. You've got me feeling like this moment's so right. You take me to that special kind of place. And now I'm dancing like I'm losing my mind. Your touch sends shivers down my spine. You make me feel I'm living in a dream. You got me going crazy. Got me going crazy. Got me going, got me going. Got me going crazy. Got me going, got me going. Got me going crazy.
Oh, my mic is dead. Oh yeah, sorry. I forgot to turn it on. Sorry. My bad. I was just trying to figure out the problem for the what do you call it? The error. There's an error there. Like a comma is missing somewhere, but I couldn't find it. I was trying to figure out, hey, what's the problem here? I'm like, am I blind? I can't see it.
Great. New plan.
You want a piece of me?
Oh. No. Oh, yes. God damn it. There's like one extra. Okay. Okay. Man, it's sometimes so difficult to see, man. Sometimes so difficult to see, like a one comma or like one parentheses. Yeah. I'm still. Just invite these. It's okay, man. It's just heroic. Who cares? Okay, so this is the avoidance table. What else do we have for Cauldron? Do we have no ads in Cauldron? We have the debuff. I haven't created one for this. And this checks the stun duration, if you get stunned or not. So I have to put this manually. I see. This has to be manually added like this. Because I didn't create I didn't refactor something like stun or like debuff uptime. I didn't do it. I was talking about this. You guys didn't see this one. This is like a specific code for this boss. It checks when you get stunned by the lightning, or like when you move too much and you get stunned at Cauldron. You know, the gorilla and dinosaur, the dino. But I didn't create overall function to check debuff stuns and so on. So it has to be like an additional code here, which is ugly, but better than nothing. Alright. Then I can also comment this out. This is also done. The reason I'm not deleting them right now, because if they are working, I will delete them. If this is working for those bosses, I can delete them. But I'm just doing some tests. I don't want to just delete, because if not, I might have to go back and then, you know, understand if something was not working properly. Also, why are we inviting 4 healers? Okay, we are not. Good. Okay, let's go back. We're still waiting for the raid to be full. Let's go Rick reverb. If last encounter ID equals 311, then end. Wait, did you pull? Are you pulling? No. No. So this will be Rick reverb. Good job. Yes, that is correct, ChatGPT. Good job with the autofill. Good job with the autofill. That's interrupt. Yes, an interrupt is. No. That's not an interrupt. There is no interrupt. That's soak. That's soak. You did a bad job, GPT. You did a bad job. did a bad job. I think we are going to pull. Let's see if our new function works.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You want a piece of me?
Watch your feet. Kill ads. Watch your feet.
Forget this, I'm out.
Kill ads.
Forget this, I'm out. Just in time.
Watch your feet.
Forget this, I'm out. Stop my throat!
Kill ads.
Please wait 14 more seconds. Don't use them yet. Don't use them yet. Our cooldowns are not back up. No. No.
Forget this, I'm out.
My weapon was not ready for 20 more seconds. Let's see. Okay, it's working.
Boy, huh, that's one nuisance out of the way.
It is working.
While you were playing with Vexy,
Okay, okay. Our function is working. Our function is working. We can leave the raid.
and the Delagio is sealed tight. Clear out Gallywitz's cronies and see what can be salvaged.
It's all good. It's all good. We are happy.
Doors out that
We are happy, so we can just refactor everything. Refactor everything. Okay, so Reverb has an add table. Local add table. It has dodge avoidance table. Not lingering voltage though. All correct except lingering voltage. Because it has a local soak table, which is lingering voltage. That is correct now, GPT. Well done. And that's it. There's no interrupt for reverb. Yeah, there is no interrupt. Then you can do perfect. See this whole like 20, 50 lines of code is no longer needed now. That's why you refactor your code so you can use it later on. Otherwise, it's going to be hell. Even if you're a solo developer working on something solo, you should always make sure you use it the most efficient way. Okay, then if last encounter ID sticks. No. Let's see. This is for interrupt. The formula is correct. Territorial bomb shell is the add. That is correct. And this is the custom function I have created to check if people fail to hit the rolling ball mechanics. So this has to come here directly, like this. And yep. Alright, if last encounter ID equals 310, not 13. The sprocket, these are the avoidance. Yeah, screwed fails has to be added manually, correct. Correct. Good job, GPT, with the auto completion. No, wait, that sticks. That's sprocket. Okay. Alright. Bend it. Oh, sorry, you guys don't see what I'm writing. Yeah. 314, and then end, which is bandit. For bandit, we have an local add table. No, it's not high roller. The name for the add is real assistant. Yes. We also have an add as interrupt table. No, it's not a real assist, that's overload. And overload spell ID is this. You are incorrect, GPT. I need to check this one too, because GPT auto completed that one. Scrap rockets. Wait, sprocket doesn't have interrupt table. What is this? Oh, this is sticks. Sorry. And the check. Okay, that is correct. That is correct. Okay, this is correct. Uh, 415-661-679. Okay, that's correct. What about what else? Bandit. It also has avoidance table. No, not high roller. No. No. This one, traveling flames and will take streak. Is the spell ID correct? Traveling flames? No, it's not correct. No, it's not rolling thunder. That is voltaic streak. Fortunately, the auto-completion does not work all the time properly, so you have to double check. Okay. Then we should do calculate boss points. Yeah, we have everything except soak. But we also have this one, which is our custom code for checking high roller buff, and we give points to people based on how many times they are refreshing their high roller buff. And then we also have the stun. If they get stunned, we remove points. And what else we have? Okay, dodge spells, we got it covered. Assistant damage, we got it covered. Okay. And bandit is also done. Whew, now it's time for Muggsy. Wait. Okay. If last encounter ID 315, then Muggsy, and Muggsy has a local add table. So I should do this. No. Yes. Yes. No. I want to be. I want to indent these. Looks better. No, not a good autocomplete. The ad name is MK2 Electroshocker. That is not correct. Then we have local soak table, just searing shrapnel. No, not this one. No. And threshold, I want this to be... No, this is good actually. The default is good for now. Soak, shulker damage, and that's it for Muggsy. And Galivix. We have dodge spells. Soak table. Expression. Spell ID. Threshold, yeah, sure. No, again, incorrect. Incorrect GPT. It is big bad bunch of bombs. And that's this spell ID. And the next one is this. There's no coil gun even at Galavix. Like, where are you getting that information, man? Like, normally it should be completing the code from this file, but unfortunately it's not that smart yet. This doesn't work. I want to check this, but this still doesn't work. This is something I want to work on next, to check deaths. I think I have to do this manually, because from details I try to get it, but it's not good. Details doesn't have everything in, like, I don't know, in like a great detail. You can't get everything, so I have to do this manually. Oh, there's also an interrupt. So I have to do my sample interrupt table equals. Nope, none of these. It's called juice it. This is the cast that the small bomb carriers do. That is important to interrupt. I mean, that's not correct spell ID, but it's better than copy pasting. That's the spell ID. And yes, formula is correct. And then pug, calculate those points. Yeah, we don't have add table. I mean, we have adds, but I didn't add the small adds to the add table. Maybe I should add them to give extra damage, but just didn't. I mean, I guess we can. I mean, why not? Like local add table. No, not bomb thrower. What's the ad name for the Galavix ads? Those like small thingies that carry bombs. Galavix. Let me check WoW head. Dark Fuse Technician. Dark Fuse Technician. Okay. Okay. But we don't have, I think. No, we have avoidance table. This is avoidance table. Sorry, this is avoidance table. It's not soak. You don't soak these. You avoid these. We have soak mechanic. The fuse canisters, yeah. But I didn't add it yet. I should have added it. It's too late now, but I should have added. Now I'm thinking about it. I should have added canisters here. Now bomb throw mechanic. So this is the mechanic that is hard coded by me. This checks if you are picking up bombs and throwing them. And if you are picking up bombs and throwing them, you get a bonus point. Or like if you're taking a bomb and then destroying a platform, you are getting a bonus point. Okay. Now all I have to do is to do one raid. I need to do one full raid to check this, and then it is good to go. Okay. Now we can update this to 09. It's like a small update, so it's just 0.1 is enough. 0.01 is good enough. Change log. Fixes. Code refactoring. For boss point calculation. Ready for season 3. I mean, I'm not going to probably launch this update because it doesn't matter for people using the add-on if they are using this one or the previous version, because it doesn't change anything. I think I will add season 3 bosses, then I will put an update, because this doesn't matter for people using the add-on. Literally does not matter for them, because all I did was, like, this is like 700 lines of code, right? 700 lines of code, and I reduced that line of code to 300. Like, I cut that by half, literally, which is great. I love that I did it. Okay, okay. Wait, this is incorrect. This is OO. It has to be OU. OU, or like OU. Because liberation of Undermine. God damn it. Let's find and replace this. I want to check everything though. Okay. I need also to change this too. This is also incorrect. But I will not touch it for now. And these are the custom code that we had to write, because we couldn't get the information from the... And this is our test function. This check debts is not working, unfortunately. I tried it a couple times, but I need to write a custom code. Alright, all good. All good. All good. It was like, again, short and chill streaming for me. Thank you guys for hanging out. We did some coding today, and tomorrow we're gonna do Galuvix. I wanna just rest for today. Don't do much. Be prepared for tomorrow. I'm gonna check up some tactics, mechanics for Galuvix. I will check some logs on people, like how people are killing it. And hopefully we'll have a great time tomorrow trying Galuvix. So for now, have a great day, have a great Monday. I will see you guys tomorrow at 4 PM server time, and we're gonna push for Galuvix Mythic. Vicious luck. Goodbye. Don't forget to check if Tally is still up? You mean the... It is. Like, you think somebody killed us? Killed Gallovix yesterday? Like we did on Saturday, and you think somebody killed it? I don't know, nobody. I understand what you mean. They're like, oh, I have like a Gallovix lockout, and it's like risky. I understand that, but you know, that's the game. Not much we can do about it. It's still up right now. As long as somebody doesn't kill it in like, I don't know, 24 hours or like 18 hours, we are good. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.